Hi friends, in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove duplicates in Google Sheets. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's start with the simplest method. With the left mouse button pressed, select all the cells among which you want to find duplicates. Then select the data menu in the drop-down list, hover the cursor over data cleanup and select remove duplicates. In the window that appears, don't change anything, but simply click the Remove Duplicates button. And in a second you will see how many duplicate rows have been found and how many unique ones are left. 4 duplicates have been deleted and 7 unique lines remain. The task is completed. If we need to leave the title and one more line with the same value as in the title, then before clicking Delete Duplicates, we select the Data has Header Row checkbox. And as you can see, there are 2 cells left in the table with the word orange, as we wanted. There is also an alternative method using a special function. Select any cell and enter the unique function, into which we add the cells in which the check will take place. Just select them with the right mouse button. After pressing the Enter key, you will see that the function has worked and only unique values from the selected range are displayed in each row of the column. And now the old column is no longer needed, you can simply delete it. Now you know a little more, thanks for watching.